An explosion has rocked the secretariat of the Action People's Party in Rivers State. On Monday morning, a dynamite explosion rocked the Action People's Party secretariat along the GRA axis of Port Harcourt, the capital of Rivers State. It was gathered that the incident occurred in the wee hours of Monday, precisely around 1 a.m. The assailants allegedly threw substances believed to be dynamite into the building housing the secretariat, shattering windows and doors, as well as destroying other property of the party. This came amidst speculations that the state governor, Siminalayi Fubara, plans to move with his supporters to the APP following the hijack of the People's Democratic Party in the state by his predecessor and estranged political godfather, Nyesom Wike. A correspondent, upon visiting the scene, observed significant damage. The building's ceiling and fittings were destroyed, and some party officials were seen discussing the extent of the destruction. The APP party officials are convinced that this is a politically motivated attack and call for a comprehensive investigation. Given the rapid growth of the Action People's Party in the state, they stress the importance of apprehending the perpetrators to ensure justice is served. When contacted, the spokesperson for the State Police Command, Grace Iringe Koko, said she was not yet aware of the incident, but promised to find out.
This is one of the section destroyed at the APP, Bachar Road, Tomia Extension. That's a police van. The new party yet to be launched. Part of the party secretariat was affected.